talked many times about it on our channel, but we never talked about how many types of it there are and what are the benefits it offers. So, in today's video, you will learn the differences and the benefits of the 4 most common types of lemons. Did you know how many kinds of lemons there are? Tell us in the comments below. It is estimated that there are over 100 species of lemons around the world. Did you know? But only 4 of them stand out in this list: Lisbon lemon, lime, key lime, and Rangpur lime. But did you know that only the Lisbon lemon can be considered a real lemon? The other ones are considered limes, species derived from lemon. Rangpur lime, for instance, is a hybrid between the lemon and mandarin orange. Lemon offers vitamin C or ascorbic acid, which takes care of our immune system, and potassium, a mineral that prevents cramps. The only differences in between all these kinds of lemons are their colors, skin, and size. Do you want to learn more about their differences? Lisbon lemon. This is the true lemon, the oldest one in all the world. It is also known as Eureka. Its skin is yellow and very thick and has an elongated shape. Not as juicy as the other kinds, its flavor is very acid, making it great for sauces and to give a little touch to special dishes. Lime, the less acid one. Very common in Brazil. To identify it at the supermarket, just observe its thick skin and round shape. Very juicy, it is ideal for lemonades and drinks such as caipirinha, a Brazilian drink. Key lime. This is that smaller one with a fine light green skin, which turns yellow when the lime gets older. Its shape is very round, and the flavor is very good. Its acidity is not as strong as the others, which makes this kind of lime great to be used in ice cream, sauces, seasonings, drinks, juices, and sweets. Rangpur lime. This one has a lot of names: Rangpur lime, mandarin lime, or mandarin. It looks like a mandarin orange because of its orange color and its taste, sweeter than the others. It is a hybrid between a lemon and a mandarin orange. Isn't it interesting? Even though they all look different, they all offer the same benefits. Prevents constipations, stimulates the brain, improves nervous system, regulates blood pressure, helps in asthma treatment, fights respiratory diseases, prevents colds, reduces stress. Now that you know more about lemons, try using other varieties of it and include this powerful natural ingredient in your diet. Don't waste your time to get all the benefits of this amazing citrus fruit. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.